Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford EcoSport door panel. Begin by lowering the window and removing the door handle cover using a trim tool, then unscrew visible fasteners. Pry off the armrest and access panel carefully to avoid breaking clips. Disconnect any electrical connectors and set the speaker aside if it obstructs removal. Lift the panel up and away from the door to free the lower clips and finish removal gently. Start by removing trim pieces around the handle and armrest to reveal screws, keeping parts in order for reassembly. Unscrew all visible bolts, then use a trim tool to pop lower clips free while supporting the panel weight. Disconnect any window switch connectors and carefully move the panel aside to avoid stretching wires. If a speaker blocks removal, unbolt and set it aside, then lift the panel straight up to release remaining attachments. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read for anyone who wants clearer money habits, and it pairs oddly well with saving on car repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a copy if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Expect a few stubborn clips or tight electrical connectors when removing the Ford EcoSport door panel, so stay patient and methodical. Keep replacement clips and a small flat tool handy to depress tabs without damaging connectors. Protect painted surfaces by placing a cloth under the panel while working and avoid forcing metal parts to prevent scratches. Reassembly goes smoother when screws and trims are stored in order, and connectors click back into place securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.